Hi folks, it's Switchback. This video is all about CPAPs in the woods. If you've wanted to go backpacking, but you've wondered how you can make it work when you have sleep apnea, this is the video for you. I am not a doctor. I am a nurse, but this is not my specialty. This is not what I see every day. This is what you see every day. And so there's a good possibility that you know more than I do. And I welcome your feedback and your experiences down in the comments. Anything that I discuss in this video absolutely needs to be discussed with your care provider before you make any changes. I do not personally use one of these devices. I have seen all of these recommended from other people, and I was able to do some limited research based on other people's suggestions. This video is a jumping off point for you to do your own research on what might be right for you, and again, to discuss that with your primary care provider or whoever manages your sleep apnea. My goal with this video is to help you get out in the woods if you didn't think that you could because of your sleep apnea. In the first category, we have mouth guards. The most expensive of these, of course, is going to be a custom one that you can have made by your dentist. These tend to run about $1,200 and insurance coverage may vary. Another option that your insurance may help cover is the koala mouthpiece. One option that you can purchase online is the Snore RX. These run about $60 to $100 and it's moldable. You put it in hot water and then you place it in your mouth to mold it. These have been FDA approved for snoring. The nice thing with a mouth guard is it doesn't require a battery. It doesn't require wires. They're really lightweight. However, again, they're not going to be suitable for everyone. They're more geared toward more mild cases. So again, this is going to be something that you need to discuss with your provider, your doctor, your nurse practitioner, your PA, etc. There are a couple of EPAP options, which is expiratory positive airway pressure. Both of these are pretty small. The first one is called the OptiPillow. This runs $109. It is a mask and it does not require a prescription. The second option is the Bongo RX. This starter kit runs about $200. It's not usually covered by insurance, but it is by prescription only. This goes inside your nose and it has a headgear option as well. Next, let's talk about some machines. The first one is Transcend. I could not find a lot of information about this, so you'll have to go from there with the name Transcend. The next option is the HDM Z2 CPAP travel machine. This runs about $500 to $600. It's waterless. It weighs about 10.5 ounces without including the battery. It is by prescription only and it connects to a phone app. The next option is the ResMed Air Mini. This is by prescription only, but it is not usually covered by insurance. It runs about $1,000 and it weighs about 2 pounds, including the mask, without the battery. There's another product by Philips called the AirSense 10, but this has been recalled. ResMed also makes an AirSense 10, but this does not appear to be a portable option and it is not part of the recall. Next are a few battery packs, and it's really important that you double check compatibility with whatever machine you're going with. Rhenology makes a 720,000 milliamp hour battery pack. Next is the Metastrom Pilot 24 Lite, which runs about $340. The next one is the Goal Zero Sherpa, which starts at $300. It's about 2 pounds and it has a solar kit available. I hope that this gives you a good jumping off point for your own research. Again, discuss with your provider before making any changes. This is crucial.